Good morning, children. Welcome you all in class 4. Today we are starting with first chapter of EVS, Vital Parts of Our Body. Children, you have already started in class 3. First chapter was Parts of Our Body, in which you have studied external and internal body parts. The parts which can be seen from outside are external body parts, and the parts which are seen inside which are present inside our body are called internal body parts. These internal body parts cannot be seen from outside, such as lungs, heart, stomach, brain, etc. Now in class 4 we will study some important internal body parts. Some of our internal body parts work all the time without a break. Heart, brain, lungs, stomach, liver, kidney, etc. work day and night to keep us alive. So, let's study these organs of our body in detail. So, first of all, we will study about brain. The brain, this is the structure of brain. The brain is inside our head and is protected by a hard cover of bones called the skull. Our brain controls all the functions of our body. It receives information from all the sense organs about the surroundings and gives order to different body parts to respond to the situation. It also stores information in the form of memories. Sense organs you have already studied in class 3. There are 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Message comes from all these sense organs and goes to the brain. The brain also control our posture, balance, and movements when we run, walk, or drive. So the next internal organ is heart. Heart is present inside the chest cavity. The lubbed up sound you hear is the sound of the pumping of your heart. The heart pumps blood to all other parts of our body through fine tubes called blood vessels. These blood vessels are of two types. One is artery and the other one is vein. The blood carries digested food, water, and oxygen, which is distributed to each and every part of the body. Blood also collects carbon dioxide and waste material from all parts of the body to be removed. The heart works day and night. Children, it works throughout the life to keep us alive. Heart is a reddish brown organ of the size of a fist, and it has 4 chambers. Here you can see these 2 chambers and these 2 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atria and the lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. These upper 2 chambers are atria and the lower 2 chambers are ventricle. So heart has 4 chambers. Blood flows all through all the 4 chambers of the heart. The next body part is lungs. The lungs are a pair of air-filled bags present inside our chest on both the sides. The air or oxygen that we breathe through the nose goes through windpipe, this is windpipe, to the lungs. Lungs help us to breathe. Here inside our nose do not allow dust to enter our body. So lungs get air rich in oxygen. The dust or any foreign particle is trapped in the nose by the hairs present here, and the air then enters through windpipe through the to the lungs. When we breathe in air into the lungs, it is called inhalation. The lungs expand when we inhale, and when we breathe out air, it is called exhalation. And at that time, the lungs contract. Again, children, when we take in air through nose, lungs expand and it is called inhalation. And when we breathe out air, the lungs contract and it is called exhalation. So children, two body organs, heart, lungs, we have studied, and one more, brain also, sorry. Three body organs we have studied: brain, lungs and heart. You all go through this chapter, read the chapter, you can do practice of the diagrams, this lungs, brain and heart. If you can do practice in your rough notebook with a label diagram, and then when we meet in the class or in the next video, we will study about the other internal organs. Thank you.